Hello everybody, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe, and I am at the lakes in Tempe, Arizona, little condo community here, and I'm going to do this pontoon boat seats. I've done it once before, but as usual I'm going to use a heavy concentration of the Interior DG by Superior Image, and then I'm just going to pre-soak that on there and show you how easy this is to do any kind of boat seats. I've got my soft brush from Chemical Guys. Agitate that. Look at that, just melting it off. All right, let's grab a microfiber. Let's check this out. As you can see, dramatic difference. I'll probably go over it one more time and just work section by section, and I'll let it sit on there a little bit longer, but I wanted to show you how quickly the results are. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Any other questions on detailing, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com, and don't forget to check out these products here from superiorimage.com. They are concentrated, so you can mix them as heavy and as light as you want, and I use this on everything. Take care everybody, have a great day from sunny Arizona, and it's 104 degrees out today. So just a quick after. This is obviously, you can see the boat's pretty old. Vinyl and leather dressing. This conditions leather and vinyl, satin finish with fresh leather smell. This one has essential oils, so I hit over the seats with that. This one is out, seeing a little more elements, but definitely cleans it up, gets that conditioner on there, makes it last a little bit longer so they don't have to redo it. Have a great day everybody.